Hey guys, so today I'm in house. I think after you downstairs, but still, I'm gonna show you. Um, I don't know where should I show you? Outside, maybe? No, to my dogs. Just kidding. Um, yeah, we're gonna show you my dogs. But first of all, if you haven't seen the video past years ago, this is my dog. He's really old. He's about 3 years old. So, goodbye. I'm gonna call him Princess. Princess. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Okay. One guy is like, hold on. I didn't pause actually the video. One guy is here. Where's the other guy? Princess. He's lazy. He's right there. By the way, as you can see, this pretty much traditional house, I think. Is that a house? No, that's a hut. So, yep. Jasmine is here. Okay, so since Jasmine is here, Jasmine! Oh, yourself. Oh my god. Sorry. He's himself. So the other guy is right there. The other guy. The other guy. Right there. So the white dog is princess. They're all like girls. The boy is the other the boy is prince, but the two small baby stuff is about like you know. So by the way, Jasmine has been a week maybe here, I don't know, or maybe months, but um um so Princess is actually like 1 month old, right? From us. But I don't know how much is he. I think so. I don't know, just guys. But yep, they're not. We didn't actually like buy them. We actually like. Oh my God. Some guy give the brown to us, which is the one who sell the plants or some flowers. But my white dog, which is Princess, is given from a freaking long distance. It's cool, but guys, I don't know where. I forgot it. That's you. That's you. That's you. Princess. So why did we call them Princess and Jasmine? Because Jasmine is from a cartoon, right? Oh my god, they're wrestling in. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Jasmine was in the Aladdin thing. I don't know, guys. But we just called him Jasmine. But, so, yep. Princess was, guys, because my dog is Prince, so I called him Prince. I call this white Princess, so. Come in. So they like seeing their face. So they like to hang in the grass, but since my mom just cut the grass, because we're actually. So I don't know when my grandma's birthday is, but I'm gonna surprise him. I think he's gonna. Oh my gosh! I hope you're seeing this, guys, but they're. Oh my god! Justin! Oh my god! He likes the cell phone. Oh my goodness. So, guys, this is all about, guys. I'm like age, but first of all, I concrete out of a dirt. That's accomplishment. Pretty cool, right? So they're from dirt. Didn't finish it yet because I wanna finish it yet sooner, but never mind. We have a lot of flowers in front of our house. There's a lot of Oh my God! What are you doing? My goodness! Someone is taking a look. Princess! They're all going when I say princess. So, they actually, if I say a name louder or shout at them, they're just gonna. They don't know what specific name they have. I don't know. They're playing. You see these guys? Yes, you see? Oh my gosh. They just running. Oh my goodness. Come here, Jasmine. Good girl. Oh my goodness. The big boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's killing the dogs with his own foot. Okay. Good, right? Oh my goodness. If this guy gave up from Prince, I don't know what to do. Maybe so if you're wondering, guys, if you're new to the video, we're actually in Bulacan or something like that. Or yep. So by the way, we're here because our house is here now. Like years ago, we live in Quezon City. Oh man. Oh, what is that? Okay, we're doing reveal. Reveal the okay. Two ones. Two. No, the other one. Other one. I want the other one. Guys, so tomorrow or later I will do a video, but I'll post it maybe tomorrow because don't have time. Oh my God, there's a color of that. Oh man, 3 color challenge. So yep, guys, 3 color challenge. Oh man, I don't know if this is gonna work. It does have like orange and red in the side highlighted with that. But, yep. So only guys, I'm gonna do solo because, solo for the goal. Oh, whoa, what's going on? Okay, so there's another one, third one. Okay. We have a printer, so that's because I will love. Okay. Whoa, this dog is pretty cool, right? Doggy, it's really cute, right? We have 3 markers, so I'm not. I don't know even what am I gonna do with it. It's printing. It's printing slow. Okay, it does have red. Yeah, but I don't know what is that. Is that a human? That's a human. Whoa, that's a human and I thought it was a human, but it's a human. It's kind of funny, but don't know. I don't know, guys. So see this is the last picture with the flower in it. So later on, guys, we're gonna do a 3 color challenge. So yep, guys, but I'm gonna upload this video first. But guys, I hope you like this video. But still, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you like it. Like the video. Show you my dogs are crazy because they wrestle a lot. So thank you for watching this episode. I hope you like it actually because we're kind of like pretty much slow, and we do have like quick video, so I'm really sorry for that, but thank you for watching, and guys, see you in the next video with the 3 color challenge. Thank you.